Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So towards the end of last month, I let you know that Microsoft had updated the Defender gap to protect new Windows installs against malware. And as I've mentioned previously, the first hours of a newly installed Windows installation can leave the system vulnerable because of a Microsoft Defender protection gap. And this is because the OS installation images may contain outdated anti-malware software definitions. And just to let you know that Microsoft now has already rolled out another Defender update to close that protection gap. And they seem to be doing this now on a more regular basis. Up until now, it used to be about once a month. Now already, we're just over halfway through August and Microsoft has already pushed out another update, which I actually think is a nice move, just to make sure that those ISO image files contain more up-to-date security definition updates for Defender. Because according to Microsoft, the devices on which these deployments are made are inadequately protected until they receive the first anti-malware software update. And they also contain critical performance fixes that will improve the user experience, according to Microsoft. Now, if we just head over to the release notes for the latest Defender update for operating system installation images. Once again, this is for Windows 11, 10, Server 2022, 2019, 2016. And by the way, I'll leave this page linked because you can download the Defender updates for the operating system installation image from these different links for the different versions of those OSs. And if we have a look here, the latest security intelligence version for this update is 1.431.796.0. And if I head over to my Windows Security Microsoft Defender quickly, and we have a look at the definition updates, mine was updated earlier today on the 18th, and that's sitting on 1.435, where this is sitting on 1.431. But that's okay because it's better than having months old Defender updates for ISO image files. It doesn't completely bring it up to scratch with the latest security intelligence version, but nonetheless, still a move in the right direction by closing that protection gap. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.